love myself. I'm never gonna fall, cause I love myself. Hey, damn right, yeah, I love myself. And I can have.
Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl, Only One Butterfly. Yes, baby, we are back for another video. And this one here is a lace closure install. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can keep up with your girl. So let's jump right into this thing. Baby, it's Taurus season out here, so you best know my girls are getting fine and swine. Yes, this right here is a closure install. This unit is from justushair.com, justushair.com. This particular install right here is for my birthday girl, Kim J. This is my bestie slash my sister, y'all. So we had to get her right together for this good old birthday sleigh. You have two ways of weighing these units. You can take these units on and off, or you can install these units. So this right here is going to be a quick and easy install, a very simple way for you to install your units at home yourself, or if you get your stylist to install your units. Very simple, very easy, very quick. So we're going to start laying this unit down with the Gots to Be Glue gel. And then I go right behind it with the Gots to Be Glue spray to make sure that it's secure in every which way. Then I'm going to back that up with sewing down. I said back that up, y'all. With sewing down the cap. And I like to sew down the cap because my clients are very essential, okay? And they have to make sure that their hair is in place at all times. So I don't like for this cap to move in any kind of way. I want to make sure that the cap stays in place throughout whatever it is that my clients have to deal with. Yes, this is Bestie, but I treat Bestie just like she is a regular client, okay? We're going to install this wig right after we secure that cap down and cut off those extra pieces. Like I said before, you can wear your unit on the side or you can wear your unit in the middle. Bestie is going for a deep left part, so she's making sure that everything feels good. Once we got it where we need it to go, we move right into lacing that glue down, baby. And we're going to lace it glue. Lace it glue. We're going to lace glue this with the Lace Me Please glue from shopjustushair.com. The glue is waterproof. The glue is humidity proof. The glue is crazy, okay? I love this glue. And you can get a bottle of this glue at shopjustushair.com. Moving forward, I'm just going to lay down these baby hairs. Sorry that the camera got out of focus really quick, but guess what? We're going to keep it moving. So I'm laying down these baby hairs, but I don't like to cut the baby hair beforehand. I like to go ahead and mold it so it lays the way I need it to lay, and then I go ahead and protect it and move forward with everything else I got to do. As far as securing the back of the unit, I like to make sure that the unit is secure from bottom all the way up into the closure area. I want the unit to feel just as if it is a sew-in. I don't want the unit to move. It's already molded to your head, but that extra security of that needle and thread is everything. And as you see, baby, I'm brushing and that unit is not moving. Then we just go into styling it however your heart desires with the style. Bess knows how to pretty much curl her hair. So she just wanted me to do a light little curl. It was late in the day. So she just give me something to make me look cute for the moment. She didn't want too many curls, but she know me. I love to curl. And the way that this color is popping, baby, I just had to just curl his hair up really quick. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Can we get a moment of silence for these curls? Because, baby, I just killed it. Let's go. Oh, okay. Moving forward on to laying these baby hairs. So, once I take off the head wrap, I went in and I kind of just tweezered out most of the hair. I just thinned those baby hairs out because I didn't want those too bulky and too, unrealistic on her scalp. And now you see why I like to mold the baby hair before I go in and cut them, because as you can see, once I got finished, baby, they just lay the way that I need them to lay. I went in and I defined that part. I love to define the part. You always want to define the part because you do not want your weave to look like weave. You want your weave to look like it is your hair growing out of your scalp. And that's the look that we got here today, baby. Look at this thing. Oh, my goodness. But that's pretty much it at the end of the day. You just do what you got to do to lay that baby hair and lay those curls and lay that look the way that you want it to go. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe to keep up with your girl. Make sure that y'all follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter. Only one. Butterfly, Lady Butterfly Hair. Shop Justus Hair for your bundles, for your wigs, and for that Lace Me Please lace glue. Other than that, I appreciate this time that y'all took to watch this with me. Holla at your girl. I love y'all so much. I'm out.
Love myself, damn right, yeah, I love myself. I'm never gonna fall, cause I love myself.